Hey guys, it's Phoebe, and my dad keeps getting tornado warnings, and we're at an old tractor place. So,
we like abandoned stuff.
I'm scared. I'm scared because
What if we get hit by a tornado?
Someone's going on their bike while it's a tornado.
That guy's looking at that guy's looking at his phone too.
Yeah.
Everybody's using their phone right now.
Shame on him. Well, he's probably reading the tornado warning.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Where's your dad?
And then now he's looking at the tractors. Now we're listening to Selena Gomez, When You're Ready. Here, listen.
When you're ready, come and get it. Na, 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 na.
Come here.
Na, na, na. This goes perfect for a tornado.
Can you turn it up, please, Daddy?
What time is it? We got 6:46, so it's just started the tornado warning.
Can you please turn up the music just a little bit?
I need to hear if there's a tornado siren going off.
Okay, well then you can turn it off if you want.
What if we're killed?
Tornado warnings are louder than your radio.
Alright, we're done. That was fun now.
You guys will watch the back and we'll watch the front.
What, NATOs?
Yeah.
NATOs made out of turds? Tornadoes?
Yeah, we can't find anything. I don't even know what that was.
Center 7338 Market.
I love this music.
It's the best music
I
ever.
love the lyrics.
Oh, there's a cool
Call
jump right there.
855-OH child to be connected to your
What?
local children's services agency. Calls are confidential and anonymous. Call 855-642-4453. It's the most important call you'll make.
At Menards,
It's
you
the
get
most
lowest
important
prices
call
every
you'll
day,
make.
plus sales too. Now during our Project Day sale, save big on a great selection of cleaning supplies. Eliminate musty odors and create fresher, cleaner air with Damp Rid. Choose from a 3-pack of hanging moisture
Show your
absorbers,
tongue.
great for closets or high-capacity Damp Rid moisture absorber that's great
Look
for
at my
basements,
tonsils.
crawl spaces, and
at her
RVs.
tonsils.
Just $6.99 each. Plus, remember to add this Father's Day with the Menards gift card. Rock 1069 WR2K is conducting the test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test and should last 7 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that for?
I hate these.
Tornado drawings?
So annoying.
What are they for?
They're just testing in case of tornado.
The Basement Sports
hear
Bar
that, guys?
and Grill, where the game is always on and the kitchen is always open till 2 a.m.
No.
Get to the Basement in North Canton tonight for $2 Miller Lite aluminum pints during the game. The Basement Sports Bar and Grill on the corner of
You guys
Portage and
whispering?
Whipple.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. You know, there's no whispering in this house.
Whispers.
There's no whispers in this house.
We're not in the house. We are
No
in a
whispering
car.
in a sob.
Look at me. What if they play another one?
Then we're all gonna die.
Better hurry up and run back to the house. Yeah, what if they...
We'll hop out of the car and run back to the house, right?
No. Dad, what if they play one and we're at her house, so we can get in her house? Watch out, people who live on hills.